Yo, this is Candy with ChicTech. We're here with another video, and today we're going to do something different. We're going to have a special guest doing a blind reaction to this video. So, today we have Natalie, my oldest daughter.
Mario.
So she's here with us, and so yeah, we'll show some love with some likes. Don't be shy. Am I right?
Yeah.
All right. So we're gonna do a rebuild for a Galaxy S8 that is broken, and you want to pause, go back.
Warning, you are performing this repair at your own risk if you do it yourself.
Yes, correct.
But we highly recommend you to send it to a professional technician.
Yeah, what she said. She got that 100% correct.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're here. I'm showing you guys the broken phone. I wonder how it got this way. Maybe a
like
jealous person, maybe? I don't know.
Several drops, or maybe a bunch of
phone
banging on the wall.
Excuse me. Let's get started. And let's flash through this video.
Zoom, zoom, zoom.
Whoops.
And I thought I was the one that's going to be burping.
Yeah, my bad. My bad, guys. My bad.
Okay, so what are you doing here?
So right here, we're starting to take off some screws. For the viewers out there, I don't know if you noticed, but the battery is not there. It's been taken off because the battery was bloated and we did not want to leave that on there. It is dangerous.
Like me after milk.
Wait, what? Oh, wow, guys, wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. So we're taking 11 screws on the top.
Is that the motherboard that you were messing with?
Yes, ma'am, that is. And then it's 3 screws at the bottom. So my tip on this was don't forget to take off the SIM tray before removing the motherboard, or you'll have problems taking the motherboard out, or it will be broken.
So it would be in the way.
Yes, it's in the way.
And what, you gave that tip because you forgot?
Wink, wink. Nobody forgot. Wink, wink.
Okay, so what are you doing now?
We're taking the headphone jack right here in order to take off the daughter board. Get it? Motherboard and daughter board. Real quick, dad joke.
Oh my god.
What does the moon and dentures have in common?
I don't know. What do they have in common?
They both come out at night. Okay, so tip number 2, always have your your station clean. You gotta have your station clean, especially if you're working with glass. You don't want to have your new parts all scratched up.
Yeah, who wants a scratched up phone after having it repaired?
I know. Then it's gonna be like, I didn't pay all this money for it to be all scratched.
I paid for it to look brand new.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and you're comparing both of them, or
yes, comparing both of them. Make sure what I need to transfer from one phone to the other. So the new screen, it has some parts already included, so I don't have to transfer everything.
Oh, sometimes they come included?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
So, what are you doing here now?
So I'm taking out the SIM tray, the black one, because we are making it silver and black. We're not gonna go back to all black.
Dual colored. I think that's what it's called.
Yes, ma'am. We're gonna do silver and black. So we're gonna take the power buttons, all these side buttons of the phone, and replace them with black.
Nice, nice.
Yes.
Searching for something over there.
Yes, right here. We're what do you think it is?
I have no idea. Wait, what you just picked up?
Yeah.
Or in the other pack? That thing?
There you go. Subscribe.
Oh yeah, subscribe, guys.
So
If you don't subscribe, I'm gonna hunt you down.
So right there we did a charging port. We replaced the charging port because it was damaged.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So if you want to go back and see real quick, yeah, maybe not because it went by super fast.
Yeah, Speedy Gonzalez over here. But don't forget to mention the giveaway.
Oh yes. We have a giveaway for this video only, and that is that we're gonna pick 2 winners in the next video. And how do we pick 2 winners out of this video? Well, thank you for asking, Natalie.
Just go ahead and like and subscribe and comment the word of the day that we're gonna say later.
So pay attention because later
don't skip ahead because I know you're gonna skip ahead.
The word of the day.
I know I'd be skipping through videos.
Me too.
Yeah.
We all do that.
So we're gonna be doing a giveaway for 2 $25 gift cards, I believe.
Yes, correct. They're gonna be 2 $25 gift cards giveaways. So yes.
Yeah, stay tuned for the word of the day.
Thank you, Natalie. Thank you for that. My co-host.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Okay, so what's
right
happening
here.
now?
Oh yes, right here we're showing. Oh well.
Of what you did.
Of what I did with the buttons. That it was done. So right now we're just putting all the parts back on. So don't forget, if you like this video so far, don't forget to like, subscribe,
slap that bell.
slap that bell to get notifications.
Yeah, notifications. To let y'all know that she posted a video.
Yeah, for all the future videos.
Yeah. Smack it. You gotta smack it.
Yeah, smack it.
Oh, and that subscribe button. You know, we need some more subscribers. We see who watches and not subscribe.
Yes. Hot Cheetos. Oh, what? Hot Cheetos. So we're putting the motherboard back, but tip number 3, don't forget to put the front camera
Don't forget
back
to put
on
a lot of things, or take out a lot of things.
Before the motherboard, because wink wink, nobody over here forgot to put the front camera back on. It's okay, guys, it happens.
We're all human, it's okay.
It's okay, it happens.
And you put the motherboard and the daughterboard, right?
Yes, ma'am. The motherboard and
I'm paying
the
attention.
daughterboard.
I'm paying attention.
Good job, Natalie.
Did you already put the battery back in or no?
The battery already came in with the screen, if you didn't notice.
Oh, no, I did not notice.
Oh gosh.
Sometimes I'm a little slow. I'm like a turtle.
Yeah. So by the way, guys,
A turtle.
what is the word of the day, Natalie?
Oh, it is refurbished.
Yes. All you guys out there.
How do you pronounce it? Refurbished. So, you know, if y'all know some people, that need a repair for their device, you know, refer that fee.
Oh gosh.
Let's not get demonetized, people. I don't want to get demonetized or get you demonetized. I don't know if that's how it works, but yeah, refer that B to ChicTech.
Yes. Okay, so here we're gonna get to a you gotta pay close attention, because when we put the headphone jack, you gotta hear the snap. I said it right.
I know.
Yeah. So when you get the snap, that's when you got it right. But you might hear it over when I said it. But yeah. So let's continue letting the viewers know about this giveaway.
Yes.
Oh yeah, and also by the way, we'll have a bonus too for a 25% discount if you send in your mail-in orders to ChicTech, or if you're local, you can stop by and just give us a discount code that is gonna be Galaxy S8.
Yeah.
Galaxy S8, so that way I'll know it's gonna be coming from this video.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And if it's a mail-in order, you could just write it on a piece of paper.
Yes, just write on a piece of
And
paper.
if you're local, it is inside of Tony's Automotive.
Correct. Thank you, Natalie.
I believe that's what.
Yes, thank you. Yes, that was another quick thing that I was gonna mention, that our location has moved and is back to Tony's Automotive. We're located inside Tony's Automotive.
Yes, and just ask for candy.
Yes, ma'am, you got it right. Oh, you've been paying attention. Hey, for candy.
Yeah.
So yes, what's guys. Now? So we're putting the silver camera and the silver sensor, fingerprint sensor, so it won't be all black. Because remember, we're doing a silver and black theme on this phone.
Okay.
So yeah, so don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below the word of the day, refurbished.
Yes, to be put into the giveaway.
Yes, to be put in the giveaway.
Are you putting it back together?
Yes.
I'm using my goggles. My binoculars. My binoculars.
Yes, we added the NFC antenna.
We're professionals out here. Oh, subscribe and like. Smack the bell.
Smack the bell. Smack it.
Smack it. What's happening now? You screwing things back in?
Yes, ma'am. Putting the last screws on the daughter motherboard.
What's that black thing?
Which black thing?
That black thing that's on the top half of the
phone. That's the speaker assembly.
Really?
That goes on top. Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
That is the
what's
speaker
that bottom
assembly. One? That one. The bottom one.
I know, but what's the top one?
The top one I had mentioned earlier if you were paying attention.
I'm the one that
it was the NFC antenna and charging coil.
Oh, okay.
Again, guys, this is my daughter. This is my daughter, my oldest one.
Yeah. I have a child now.
Yeah,
I feel old.
She made me a grandma already. Can you believe it, guys? She made me a grandma at a young age. Alright, so here we're gonna charge it up already and see.
Ooh, is it gonna work?
Is it gonna work?
Did she do a good job?
Is it gonna work? Yes, ma'am.
Well, anyways, while we wait for it to turn on to see if it works, I'm just gonna mention real quick that we're gonna give you guys 48 hours.
48 hours
to see if
there's any activity going on.
Any activity, and if there's no activity in the next 48 hours, the giveaway is not going into effect.
Yes.
What's happening?
It's not gonna go into effect, and then we're just gonna try it on the next video. Come in, ChicTech. The mission has been completed.
It works. It turns on. Ooh, what's happening now?
And this is just the update, and then we're gonna do a factory reset. It looks like you're
downloading something or going into the Dropbox app.
And there's the before and after.
Yay!
Yay! And And if you like these type of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below mentioning that you liked it and say, hey Candy, make more videos like these. Maybe, I don't know. Echo. Also, don't forget to comment the word of the day, refurbish. I'm saying it one last time for your name to be entered. And we're gonna pick the winners on the next video. We're gonna add your names on the spin the wheel. We're gonna pick two. We're gonna pick two peoples. But again, if there is no activity going on, then we're just gonna have to try next time. So come on, let's get these likes and subscribes going on.
Share them.
Yes, because this will help us bring the business up.
Yes, sir, ma'am. I don't know. Whoever's watching.
All right. So hope you like again this video. And we'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.
If you stay to the end of this, then wow.